Flip phones are the newest form factors in the smartphone space that easily fit into compact places, such as pockets and purses for easy portability. Many manufacturers from the likes of Samsung, Motorola, and others have come up with flip phones that feature inner and outer displays for enhanced functionality. In this article, we've curated the list of the best flip phones in the world on the basis of durability, hinge quality, performance, and display size. We have listed the 5 best flip phones to buy in 2024, and there are key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 5G Flip Phone. Samsung has consistently launched the Samsung Galaxy S series to great fanfare. It's no secret that it's one of the best Android phones on the market for its cutting-edge technology. In fact, it paved the way for its most recent foldable sibling, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I've had the opportunity to spend time with the phone, and here's my review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Unlike the S23 Ultra, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 fits into the mobile family with some cutting-edge technology, while opting to ultimately feel like a mid-range handset. Yes, it's contradictory. So let me break down what I mean. The fact that it folds in half is eye-catching, and while the technological leaps required over the years to make that possible are both extensive and impressive, Samsung vastly improved the hinge and screen with its latest iteration. There's also some of that trademark Samsung flair all over the handset, with the AMOLED panel, mini cover display for light tasks, and the subtly complex hinge at the center of the phone. Number 4. CAT S22 Flip Phone. Smartphones today are large glass sandwiches that aren't always a good fit for construction zones, farms, or shipyards, so that's where the CAT S22 Flip steps in. It's rugged, functional, and affordable as a dedicated work phone. CAT phones are known for rugged design features, affordable prices, and functions to help you get work done outside of the office. The CAT S62 Pro provides a thermal imaging camera, while the CAT S42 can take a beating at a $299 price point. For the past few weeks, we have been working, running, and enjoying the outdoors with the CAT S22 Flip. The CAT S22 Flip is available exclusively from T-Mobile for $234 and provides LTE connectivity with the carrier. It's an interesting phone that harkens back to the day when flip phones were the standard for mobile phones. CAT takes things further with a full 2.8-inch touchscreen display on the top and Android Go 11 powering the user interface. This phone may appeal to people just with its extreme rugged build and flip form factor, even if they don't use all of the functionality in the Android OS. It's a solid phone for basic communications and can even serve as a Wi-Fi hotspot if you have a rugged tablet to connect for more extensive work in the field. Number 3. Kyocera DuraXE LTE Flip Phone. Kyocera comes through for AT&T with the DuraXE Epic, $269.99, a rock-solid voice phone that will be a reliable companion. The DuraXE Epic has all of Kyocera's traditional strengths, most notably a nigh-indestructible body and very clear voice quality. Though it's expensive, it sets the bar for voice performance on AT&T and is our editor's choice. The DuraXE Epic is mostly made of smooth black plastic with rubber bumpers on the corners. It measures 4.36 by 2.22 by 1.07 inches, HWD, and weighs 6.8 Oz. It's very similar in size to the Sonim XP3 or to Kyocera's phones for Verizon. The Sonim phone is a duller black though. Durability is Kyocera's selling point, as always. The phone is waterproof, rated IP68, and designed to survive drops of 5 feet onto concrete. The back is removable, but it screws closed rather than snapping closed for extra durability. The rest of the body is festooned with buttons. There's an SOS button on one side, a push-to-talk button on the other, and speakerphone and end call keys on the top of the phone. The SOS and PTT buttons can be set to open any app, so you could use one as a camera key, for instance. Number 2. Alcatel GO FLIP V Phone. Alcatel GO FLIP V hands-on. Good call quality average battery, and basic build. It's very satisfying to end a call by flipping the top down on a phone, while a large numeric keypad is great for aging eyes. I expected longer battery life and a bit more substantial flip hinge though. Last month, Alcatel and Verizon announced the new GO FLIP V feature phone that offered a modern take on the flip phone with LTE, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and a color display for simple browsing. It's available now on Verizon for $100. My first few phones were feature phones that had the flip form factor, and I loved closing the top to end a call. It's been years since I've used a flip phone, but I've spent the past couple of weeks trying out the new Alcatel GO FLIP V. Now that I'm 50 and I'm starting to need reading glasses with my contacts, a basic phone like this is interesting to investigate. While basic feature phones like the GO FLIP V have limited functionality in today's big-screen smartphone world, it works well for basic calling and texting while also serving as a Verizon LTE hotspot, so you can pair it with an iPad and get the best of both voice and data worlds. The GO FLIP V works well for calls, texts, and basic connectivity. Number 1. Nokia 2780 Flip. The number of simple voice phones on the market has thinned dramatically over the last decade, leaving those who need or prefer a basic phone with fewer and fewer options from which to choose. The Nokia 2780 Flip, $89.99, a handset that transports us back to the good old days of flip phones, is looking to meet that need. It features a familiar, pocketable clamshell design with large physical buttons, but disappointing talk times. While the 2780 Flip is priced well and sounds quite good for voice calls, the Sunbeam F1 195 offers better battery life and remains our editor's choice winner for feature phones. A modernized throwback, the Nokia 2780 Flip takes the familiar design from the mid-aughts and brings it to the modern era. Available in blue or red with a black insert on the front, this attractive clamshell carries forward everything we remember from yesteryear with updated specs and performance.